nature lovers, ever wondered about those incredible drumming sounds echoing through the forest? Or maybe caught sight of a woodpecker doing its thing? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of woodpeckers with 14 mind-blowing facts that'll make you appreciate these feathered percussionists even more. So grab a seat and let's get started. 1. Woodpecker. Facts: they prefer dead trees. Gardeners and homeowners will appreciate this one of our woodpecker facts. Don't worry about these birds damaging your trees. The birds prefer dead or dying trees because the trees are insect magnets. It's also easier to drill into a snag, which is a dead or dying tree. The soft, rotting wood is perfect for finding insects and carving a nesting cavity. But the birds will also visit live trees, which may contain tree-dwelling or wood-boring insects. Several species of woodpeckers pry off the outer layers of bark from trees to expose insects and then drill into the softer bark beneath to look for insect larvae. This is referred to as bark sloughing. 2. Woodpeckers are found nearly everywhere. Most woodpeckers are tied to forests, woodlands, and shrublands, but some species, such as northern flickers, hang out in woodland edges. Downy woodpeckers look for spots near water, and acorn woodpeckers seek out oak woodlands. But some woodpeckers are desert birds. The Gila woodpecker thrives in the nearly treeless desert habitats of the southwestern United States and Mexico. These woodpeckers excavate holes in living saguaro cactuses, allow the plants to dry out, and then inhabit them. Woodpeckers have strong head muscles. Strong, dense neck muscles allow woodpeckers to repeatedly drill up to 20 times a second, while extra muscles in the skull act as a protective helmet by keeping the brain from jiggling around when the woodpecker is drumming. 4. Woodpeckers drill holes depending on their size. Usually, the bigger the woodpecker, the bigger the hole it makes. The nesting cavities of pileated woodpeckers range from 10 to 24 inches deep, which is twice as deep as those of downy and red-bellied woodpeckers. 5. Woodpeckers use their bills for drilling and drumming. These birds use their bills for two behaviors: drilling and drumming. They use their sharp beaks to drill into trees to find food or to make holes for nesting and roosting in spring and fall. Drumming, on the other hand, is most commonly done in spring to attract a mate or to mark territory by alerting the competition. 6. They have excellent hearing. Woodpeckers, like the hairy woodpecker, listen for the sounds of insects crawling and chewing in the wood of a tree before using their strong, sharp bills to capture their prey. 7. Woodpeckers have adapted to cling to trees. Stiff tail feathers act as a brace, forming a tripod with the bird's feet to stabilize a woodpecker as it hops up a tree and chisels into the bark. Downy versus hairy woodpecker. How to tell the difference? 8. Long tongues reach past their bills. To reach deep into crevices in search of grubs, ants, and sap, a woodpecker's tongue can be up to a third of its total body length, so long that when it's retracted, it coils around the back of the bird's skull. Learn how to identify a red-headed woodpecker. 9. Woodpeckers fly like goldfinches. Woodpeckers fly in an undulating pattern similar to that of goldfinches. Unda is a Latin word that means wave. The motion is like a roller coaster. The bird flaps its wings during the rising phase, then glides as it descends into the valley of the wave. 10. Woodpeckers range in size. In North America, the downy is the smallest and most widespread woodpecker. The largest is the pileated woodpecker. Ivory-billed woodpeckers are bigger, but are considered to be extinct. 11. Woodpeckers nest in tree cavities. Woodpeckers are primarily cavity nesters that excavate their own nest spots in dead or dying trees. The cavities will usually hold 3 to 6 eggs, and both parents tend the young birds. Woodpeckers sleep in cavities throughout the year. 12. Woodpeckers have unique feet. We found amazing woodpecker facts from their head to their toes. With 4 toes, the first and fourth facing backward, the second and third facing forward, woodpeckers can navigate up and around tree trunks. The scientific name for this toe arrangement is zygodactylism. 13. Males and female woodpeckers look different. Here's one of the most helpful woodpecker facts for birders. In most species, males and females look similar. The only way to tell them apart is by red accents that are sometimes present on males. Other male and female members of the woodpecker families are more distinct. Williamson sapsucker females look nothing like the males, which are black with red throats, yellow bellies, and white wing bars. The species is found in western mountain forests. It may live in the same groves as red-naped and red-breasted sapsuckers. Meet the sapsucker birds, woodpeckers with a sweet tooth. 14. Woodpeckers have a varied diet. As omnivores, woodpeckers eat a mix of foods. They target insects, spiders, seeds, nuts, and acorns, as well as fruit and sap, and will even sip nectar from a hummingbird feeder on occasion. They also love suet, which you can provide in a hanging suet feeder cage to attract them to your yard. And there you have it, 14 mind-blowing woodpecker facts that'll make you appreciate these incredible birds even more. If you enjoyed learning about our feathered friends, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more nature nuggets, and share your favorite woodpecker fact in the comments below. Until next time, happy birdwatching!